body armor rock sliders. Let's talk about this. So I wanted to get some new running boards. The ones that I had looked plain, outdated, and worn. And instead of getting just running boards, I wanted some body armor and some rock sliders. I was looking online and there's several manufacturers of rock sliders. I decided to go with EAG. One of the reasons I chose EAG is because I have the tube doors, and I was impressed by the overall craftsmanship, the finish, and the look of the door. In looking online at all the running boards and body armor and all that stuff, I wanted something that was different, something that stood out. And if you look at these, stand out. I love how they wrap around and protect the undercarriage as well as the side of the doors. So I placed the order and was hoping for the best. What I got was a lot more. A couple things that I wanted to talk about. One of them was the ordering process. It was pretty smooth. And from order to receiving them at my door is about 4 days. When I received them, they were well protected in a very thick cardboard box. The overall weight of them is probably about 80 pounds. I purchased them from Amazon. I'll have the link below in the description if you'd like to purchase them as well. So when I opened the box, I was pleasantly surprised with the way these things are built. They're heavy duty all around. They have 2-inch steel tubing that's very thick, as well as a sheet metal that's very thick. I was very impressed by the paint job that's on them. They're powder black coated. They're textured, they match the doors that I already have. So they're really good looking. So let's talk about the installation a little bit. You know, a lot of people do videos on the install. I think they're kind of boring to watch, so you know, I just took the time to put them on and I'll tell you about them. The most time consuming and hardest part about the install is actually taking off the old ones. That takes a little bit of effort. Okay, as far as tools are concerned, you need 3 different socket sizes: a 10mm, a 13mm, and a 16mm. So the longest part of the installation was actually taking off the old running boards, as I said previously. Overall, the installation took about an hour and a half, and the new ones went on very quickly. There's 3 bolts to them. Put those in and you're done. So one of the benefits is aesthetics. They look great on your Jeep and they look like they're meant to be a part of it. So putting these on looked like it raised the Jeep a little bit. Just an illusion though, because the old running boards hung down so low. So overall, I'm really happy with these. The overall appearance of them, how they make my Jeep look great, protection that they provide, the ease of installation, and the quality of the product itself. I'd recommend them. Thanks for watching.